Good morning, children. Let us continue chapter 16 articles. Let me read the exercises. Listen to me carefully. Fill in the blanks with a and o the. Page 54. A peacock is dancing in my garden. Peacock first letter consonant sound. So before peacock we use article A. A peacock is dancing in my garden. Raja eats an egg every day. Egg first letter is vowel sound. So before egg we use an. Raja eats an egg every day. The earth goes around the sun. Earth and sun are universal truth. So before earth and sun we use definite article the. There is a blue clock in my classroom. The word blue first letter B is consonant sound. So before blue we use article A. There is a blue clock in my classroom. A peacock is dancing in my garden. Raja eats an egg every day. The earth goes around the sun. There is a blue clock in my classroom. A boy is going to the zoo. The boy has a bag. Here two sentences are there. The first sentence, boy first letter B consonant. We use A article before boy. Then second letter boy before you use definite article the, because first we introduce boy one time. Again we are using boy before we are use definite article the. A boy is going to the zoo. The boy has a bag. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Taj Mahal is famous building. Famous building before we are using definite article the. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. There is a telephone in Mr. Sindha's room. The telephone is ringing. Here there are two sentences. The first letter telephone we used article indefinite article A, and second telephone before use definite article the, because one time we use telephone introducing, then second time we know about telephone. So before telephone second sentence we used definite article the. There is a telephone is Mr. Shinda's room. Telephone is ringing. Sarida bought a multicolored umbrella from the shop. Multicolor first letter consonant sound. Before consonant sound we use A. Sarida bought a multicolored umbrella from the shop. A boy is going to the zoo. The boy has a bag. The Taj Mahal is made of white marble. There is a telephone in Mr. Sindha's room. The telephone is ringing. Sarida bought a multicolored umbrella from the shop. Tick the sentence which the articles are used correctly. I packed an sandwich and a apple for lunch. That sentence wrong. Correct sentence, I packed a sandwich and an apple for the lunch. Rohit bought a red shirt and Roni bought a blue one. Correct sentence. The wrong sentence, Rohit bought an red shirt and Roni bought an blue one. A octopus is hiding under a rock in the sea. Wrong answer. Correct answer, an octopus is hiding under a rock in the sea. Agil bought a ice cream and Sonali bought a mango bar. Wrong. Correct answer, Agil bought an ice cream and Sonali bought a mango bar. Tamanna wants to be a astronaut. Wrong answer. Correct answer, Tamanna wants to be an astronaut. Homework. Write the given exercises in your homework book and learn it. Thank you.